Among the list of wondrous plants with many household uses are Bacano or Bois Cano leaves. The tree is also known as the Cecropia tree, Bois Cano trumpet bush, and monkey tail tree, mainly because the sweet fruit resembles a monkey's tail. The Bacano tree can be spotted towering out of crevices along roadsides, in backyards, forested areas, and pastures worldwide. It is a fast-growing pioneer species that sometimes poses a threat to natural ecosystems in certain countries. Its trunk is hollow, allowing for rapid growth, and the hollow bark is used for making ropes, tool handles, and even musical instruments. In the Caribbean, people use the dried Bacano leaves as a stimulant or a tobacco substitute, and as a natural remedy or bush medicine to treat numerous ailments. Also, they use the fresh leaves for healthy hair and skin. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of Bacano leaves, both dried and fresh. We'll discuss their uses for treating health conditions, promoting hair and skin health, and provide directions for making natural remedies with this versatile plant. What's inside the Bacano leaves? The health benefits of the Bacano tree come from both its wide, dark green leaves at the top and the dried brown fist-like leaves that often fall to the ground. In Caribbean culture, a superstition suggests that only the dried leaves facing upward should be used for medicinal purposes. According to Medicinal herbs, the Bacano leaves contain various beneficial compounds, including lipids, flavonoids, alkaloids, resins, tannins, glycosides, stearic acid, ursolic acid, cardenolides, triterpenes, polyphenol, and steroids. These compounds contribute to the tree's broad range of healing properties. However, if you have a serious medical condition, it is always recommended to consult a healthcare professional before using natural remedies. Here are 10 conditions treated with Bacano leaves. Colds and flu. Dried Bacano leaves are popularly brewed into a tea that helps relieve symptoms associated with colds and flu. The tea has natural warming properties that can ease congestion, making it especially helpful for relieving blocked nasal passages and soothing sore throats. Many Caribbean communities rely on Bacano tea during flu season as a holistic remedy to reduce cough and runny nose. Additionally, the leaves are rich in antioxidants that may help the body combat pathogens and speed up recovery by neutralizing harmful free radicals within the respiratory system. The anti-inflammatory properties of Bacano leaves may also help reduce irritation in the throat and bronchial passages, allowing for easier breathing and greater comfort during recovery. This quality makes it a soothing remedy for both adults and children suffering from respiratory discomfort. When consumed regularly at the onset of cold or flu symptoms, Bacano tea can help fortify the immune response, potentially shortening the duration of illness and reducing the severity of symptoms. Adding ingredients like bay leaves or honey can enhance the tea's soothing effects and provide additional immune support. Poor appetite. Bacano tea is often recommended as a natural appetite stimulant, which can be particularly beneficial for people recovering from illness or dealing with a lack of appetite. The mild bitterness of Bacano leaves is thought to stimulate the digestive system, signaling the body to increase the production of digestive juices, which can enhance hunger. For individuals who have difficulty maintaining a balanced diet due to a lack of appetite, a warm cup of Bacano tea before meals may help encourage the consumption of nourishing foods, aiding in recovery and promoting overall health. For people who experience poor appetite due to stress, fatigue, or certain medical conditions, Bacano tea serves as a gentle and holistic option that may be easier on the stomach than pharmaceutical appetite stimulants. Unlike artificial appetite boosters, Bacano tea is naturally derived and carries additional health benefits that contribute to general well-being. Regular consumption of Bacano tea can help restore natural hunger patterns over time, making it a valuable remedy for anyone struggling to get sufficient nutrients from their daily diet. Constipation. Bacano tea is recognized for its mild laxative properties, which can help relieve constipation and promote regular bowel movements. When brewed, the tea from dried Bacano leaves stimulates peristalsis, the movement of the digestive tract that pushes waste through the intestines. This action can provide gentle relief from constipation without causing intense cramping or discomfort that some commercial laxatives may produce. For people who struggle with regularity, drinking a cup of Bacano tea a few times a week can help maintain a smoother digestive process. In addition to promoting bowel health, Bacano tea also supports overall digestion by facilitating the breakdown and absorption of nutrients in the digestive tract. The compounds in Bacano leaves, such as tannins and polyphenol, may contribute to a balanced gut environment, supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. This helps improve the overall efficiency of the digestive system, which can prevent future episodes of constipation and promote long-term digestive health. A warm cup of Bacano tea after meals can also alleviate feelings of fullness and bloating, encouraging a more comfortable digestion experience. Typhoid fever. In traditional Caribbean medicine, Bacano tea is considered a supportive remedy for typhoid fever, a bacterial infection that can cause high fever, abdominal pain, and other severe symptoms. While Bacano tea is not a cure for typhoid fever, its potential to reduce inflammation and alleviate fever makes it a helpful addition to standard medical treatment. When combined with conventional antibiotics and proper hydration, Bacano tea may help ease the uncomfortable symptoms associated with typhoid, offering a holistic approach to managing this condition. Furthermore, the immune-supporting compounds found in Bacano leaves, such as flavonoids and polyphenol, may strengthen the body's natural defenses against infections. These compounds can provide added resilience to the immune system, enabling the body to fight the typhoid bacteria more effectively. By including Bacano tea in a supportive treatment regimen, those suffering from typhoid fever may experience a reduction in the severity of symptoms, including fever and fatigue, which can improve comfort levels and aid in faster recovery. Parkinson's disease. Bacano tea is sometimes used as a natural aid for individuals managing Parkinson's disease symptoms. While not a cure, the tea is valued for its calming properties, which may help alleviate tremors, stiffness, and other motor symptoms associated with the disease. The alkaloids and glycosides present in Bacano leaves may have a mild sedative effect on the nervous system, offering temporary relief from the rigidity and muscle contractions characteristic of Parkinson's disease. Consuming Bacano tea regularly, under a doctor's supervision, may contribute to improved comfort and quality of life for individuals with this condition. Additionally, the tea may help manage the non-motor symptoms of Parkinson's disease, such as anxiety, depression, and sleep disturbances. The gentle, relaxing properties of Bacano tea can ease mental stress, providing a sense of calm that can be beneficial for those experiencing mood changes or emotional distress due to Parkinson's. While the tea should not replace prescribed treatments, it may serve as a complementary therapy to support holistic well-being and help individuals cope with the symptoms of this complex neurological condition. Nervous conditions. With its mild sedative properties, Bacano tea is believed to soothe anxiety, nervous tension, and stress. The alkaloids and flavonoids in Bacano leaves can help regulate the nervous system, making the tea useful for promoting relaxation. For individuals experiencing restlessness or agitation, a warm cup of Bacano tea may offer calming effects similar to those of mild herbal sedatives, aiding in relaxation and providing mental clarity. This quality makes Bacano tea a popular choice for people seeking a natural way to manage daily stress and emotional discomfort. For individuals dealing with chronic stress or anxiety disorders, regular use of Bacano tea may serve as part of a holistic approach to mental health. Its ability to promote a calm state can potentially improve sleep quality and enhance focus throughout the day. Incorporating Bacano tea into a nightly routine may also support restful sleep by helping the mind and body unwind. In this way, Bacano tea can contribute to balanced mental well-being, offering a natural and accessible option for stress relief and relaxation. Diabetes. Bacano tea has gained popularity as a natural remedy for managing blood sugar levels, though individuals with diabetes should always use it under the guidance of a healthcare provider. The tea is thought to aid in the regulation of glucose metabolism, possibly due to the presence of flavonoids and other bioactive compounds. By supporting balanced blood sugar levels, Bacano tea may reduce the risk of sudden spikes and drops, which is essential for effective diabetes management. Drinking Bacano tea alongside a balanced diet may complement other treatments for stable blood sugar control. The antioxidants in Bacano leaves may further contribute to diabetes management by reducing oxidative stress, a common challenge for people with diabetes. Oxidative stress can lead to complications such as neuropathy and cardiovascular issues. Therefore, adding antioxidant-rich drinks like Bacano tea to the diet may offer protective benefits. When used mindfully as part of a comprehensive treatment plan, Bacano tea can support healthy blood sugar levels and help prevent diabetes-related complications. High blood pressure. Bacano tea is valued for its potential to support cardiovascular health, especially in managing high blood pressure. Its mild diuretic effect encourages the elimination of excess fluids from the body, which can reduce strain on the blood vessels and lower blood pressure. For those at risk of hypertension, Bacano tea offers a natural alternative to synthetic diuretics, helping to maintain optimal blood pressure levels while minimizing side effects. In addition to its diuretic properties, Bacano tea contains antioxidants that may improve vascular health and reduce inflammation in the blood vessels. By keeping the blood vessels relaxed and free from oxidative damage, the tea can potentially prevent the development of high blood pressure over time. Regular use of Bacano tea, paired with a healthy lifestyle, may offer long-term cardiovascular benefits that contribute to overall heart health. Kidney conditions. Bacano tea is traditionally used to support kidney health by aiding in the detoxification process and promoting healthy kidney function. Its diuretic effect can help flush toxins from the kidneys, assisting the body in eliminating waste more effectively. For people with mild kidney issues, a regular cup of Bacano tea can be a gentle way to support kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney stones or infections. In addition to detoxification, Bacano tea's anti-inflammatory compounds may protect kidney tissues from oxidative damage and inflammation, which are common contributors to kidney problems. By reducing strain on the kidneys, Bacano tea may support long-term kidney health and function. However, individuals with severe kidney conditions should consult a healthcare provider before using Bacano tea to ensure it complements their medical treatment. Immune support. The Bacano tree's leaves contain powerful compounds, including polyphenol and flavonoids, that can bolster the immune system. These natural antioxidants help the body defend against pathogens by neutralizing free radicals, which can otherwise weaken immune response and lead to illness. Drinking Bacano tea regularly can provide a mild but steady immune boost, making it beneficial during cold and flu season or times of heightened stress when the immune system needs extra support. In addition to enhancing immune response, Bacano tea's anti-inflammatory properties may help the body recover faster from minor illnesses. By reducing inflammation, Bacano tea creates an environment that is less hospitable to viruses and bacteria, potentially lowering the risk of infection. Including Bacano tea in a balanced health regimen may support overall immune resilience, making it a valuable natural remedy for individuals seeking to strengthen their defenses against everyday illnesses. Fresh Bacano leaves are especially popular for treating skin rashes and as a natural shampoo for hair. The nutrients in these leaves repair damaged skin and hair when used externally as paste. The Bacano tree is a remarkable plant with many household uses and health benefits. From treating common ailments with its dried leaves to enhancing skin and hair health with its fresh leaves, Bacano has become a valuable natural remedy in Caribbean bush medicine traditions. Always remember to consult a healthcare provider when using natural treatments, especially for chronic conditions, to ensure safety and efficacy. Embracing the benefits of the Bacano tree can lead to a more holistic approach to wellness, backed by the wisdom of traditional medicine.